Google changed the rules again, but most SEO tools are still playing the old game. I've been using Semrush AI Toolkit and SEO Toolkit for a while, and it's the only platform that actually tracks your brand visibility, ChatGPT, and Google AI. Let me show you why that matters. By the end of this video, you'll know why traditional SEO tactics are missing 40% of search traffic. AI platforms. You'll see how to find the exact keywords your competitors rank for, but you don't, how to track your brand in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI in real time, and the 3 Semrush tools that drive the most revenue for small businesses. Here's the thing. AI platforms now answer millions of questions daily without a single click to your site. If you're not tracked there, you're invisible to a huge slice of buyers. Look at this. Semrush's AI visibility tool, real numbers, real time. This is what traditional SEO tools can't show you. ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, Perplexity, they're all stealing traffic. When someone asks best project management tools for startups, they get an instant answer. No click, no visit to your site. Your content might be in the training data, but you have zero visibility into whether your brand is being mentioned, recommended, or ignored. Here's the side-by-side. Google search, you can track rankings. AI answers, you can't, unless you use Semrush AI Toolkit. This is the gap that's costing businesses thousands of potential customers every week. Let me walk you through the visibility overview. Mentions, how often your domain shows up in AI responses. Sources, which pages get cited. Prompts, the exact questions that trigger your brand. This data didn't exist 6 months ago. Now it's essential. If you're not here, you're losing ground to competitors who are. Now AI search is critical, but traditional Google SEO still drives most of your traffic. Semrush's SEO toolkit has been the industry standard for years. Let me show you the 3 features that give you the biggest advantage. Here's how to spy on your top competitors' backlinks and keywords in 60 seconds. I'll enter a competitor domain right here. Hit search. Look at this. Semrush shows me their top organic keywords, estimated traffic, and their authority score. Scroll down. Here are the backlinks. Not just quantity, quality. I can see which sites link to them, the anchor text, and whether those links are follow or no follow. Now here's the move. Filter for keywords where they rank in positions 4 through 10. Those are vulnerable. If they're ranking on page 1, but not in the top 3, you can beat them with better content. Export this list. That's your content roadmap for the next quarter. Keyword research used to be a guessing game. You'd pick a keyword, see it has 50,000 searches, then realize every Fortune 500 company is targeting it. Semrush fixes that with personal keyword difficulty. It analyzes your domain's authority and tells you which keywords you can actually rank for, not just generic difficulty. See this? I searched email marketing software. Standard difficulty says 71%, too hard. But personal keyword difficulty for my domain says 68%. Doable. That's because Semrush factors in my existing backlinks and topical authority. It's not a theory. It's math based on your site. And then there's topical authority. Semrush groups keywords into topic clusters and shows you where you're already strong. If I've written 10 articles about email automation, Semrush tells me I have moderate topical authority there. So new keywords in that cluster are easier to rank for. This is how you scale content without wasting effort. Last piece, on-page SEO checker. I'll paste a URL from my site. Semrush scans it, compares it to the top 10 ranking pages, and gives me a checklist. Add these keywords. Increase word count by 300 words. Improve readability score. Add internal links to these 2 pages. It's like having an SEO consultant inside the tool. I made these changes to 1 blog post last month. Rankings jumped from page 2 to position 4 in 2 weeks. Traffic doubled. This isn't magic. It's just data-driven optimization that most people skip because they don't have the tool. All right, back to AI. This is where Semrush gets ahead of everyone else. The AI SEO Toolkit isn't a side feature. It's a completely separate product, built separately at $99 per month per domain. No trial available, but if you're serious about growing in 2025, you need it. And here's why. Semrush's AI analysis includes 3 major tools: visibility overview, competitor research, and prompt research. These work together to give you complete intelligence on how AI platforms are representing your brand. Let me walk you through each one. Visibility overview is your command center. It shows you mentions, how often your domain appears in AI responses across ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, and other platforms. Sources, which specific pages from your site get cited, and prompts, the exact questions that trigger your brand. Look at this dashboard. I can see my brand appearing in AI responses this week, mostly from Google AI Mode, then from ChatGPT. Semrush breaks it down by source page, so I know which content is performing an AI search. This is intel you can't get anywhere else. Competitor research in the AI Toolkit lets you compare your AI visibility against up to 5 competitors. You see their mention volume, their share of voice, and which prompts they dominate. If your competitor is showing up in 50 AI responses per week and you're at 10, you know where the gap is. And here's the key insight. You can analyze which topics and prompt types they own. Are they winning on product comparison prompts, recommendations, how-to queries? This tells you where to focus your content optimization. Prompt research is where it gets tactical. You can track specific prompts daily, just like tracking keyword rankings in traditional SEO. I added 10 high-value prompts related to my niche, best SEO tools for small businesses, how to improve website rankings, top keyword research platforms. Semrush tracks these every day and tells me if my brand shows up, and if so, in what position. Right now, my brand appears in 3 out of 10 tracked prompts. My top competitor, 8 out of 10, that's a visibility gap I need to close. And Semrush shows me exactly which prompts I'm missing, so I can optimize my content to start appearing in those AI responses. If you're not showing up in AI responses, here's the 3-step fix. 1. Audit your content for AI readability. Semrush has an AI crawlability report that checks if your site is blocked from LM crawlers and if your content is structured for AI consumption. 2. Optimize for structured formatting. Clear answers, FAQ sections, bullet points. 3. Build citations. Get mentioned on high-authority sites that AI models trust. And here's the big workflow advantage. Semrush lets you track AI prompts alongside traditional keyword rankings in the position tracking tool. Same dashboard, same workflow. You're not juggling 2 platforms. You see the full picture. Google rankings and AI mentions side by side. That's total search visibility. Here's what happened when I actually used this. I ran a competitor analysis and found 12 keywords I wasn't targeting. High search volume, low competition for my domain. I wrote 3 articles around those keywords, optimized them with the on-page SEO checker, and tracked rankings. 4 weeks later, 30% traffic increase. Not from luck, from data. Then I checked my AI visibility. My brand wasn't showing up in ChatGPT responses at all. 0 mentions. So I optimized 3 cornerstone pages, better structure, added FAQ sections, made sure they weren't blocked from AI crawlers. 2 weeks later, I'm showing up in 18 AI responses per week. That's 18 times someone asked an AI for advice in my niche and got my brand as an answer. This isn't theoretical, it's measurable, and it's only possible because Semrush built tools for both layers of search, traditional and AI. All right, here's how to get started with both toolkits. First, the SEO Pro Toolkit. This is your traditional SEO powerhouse. I've got a special 14-day free trial link in the description. That's 14 days completely free. Full access to competitor research, keyword research with personal keyword difficulty, on-page optimization, position tracking, everything I show you in section 2. After the trial, pricing depends on your needs. Check the link below for current plans. Second, the AI SEO Toolkit. This one's separate, built separately at $99 per month per domain. No free trial available, but if you're serious about tracking your brand in ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, and Perplexity, this is the only tool that does it. I've got the link in the description. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.